Hey guys, in this video we are going to compare the Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro, covering aspects like unboxing, body design, display, camera testing, prices and color availability. So fasten your seatbelts and stay tuned to this channel as we dive right into it. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro boxes. Inside, we will find the devices for this review. We have two different colors. Digging deeper into the second layer, you will discover some additional items. Both phones come with a protective black case, guide papers and a SIM card tool. However, Xiaomi 14 includes a 90-watt charger and a Type-C to Type-A cable, while Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with a 120-watt charger and a Type-C to Type-A cable. With the unboxing done, let's compare these devices. Both devices are making waves with their cutting-edge design and impressive features. Only the Xiaomi 14 in snow white pink color comes with a second generation nano-tech skin, while the other colors of the Xiaomi 14 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro in white, black and green colors come with a glass body that's highly durable and resistant to scratches. Both devices feature a flat side frame with rounded corners, providing a sleek and polished look. The ultra-narrow body makes them exceptionally easy to handle. Xiaomi 14 is slightly slimmer than Xiaomi 14 Pro. Both devices can stand on a surface just like the iPhone 14. Xiaomi 14 boasts a 6.36 inches OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and 460 pixels per inch. Xiaomi 14 Pro, on the other hand, has a slightly larger OLED display at 6.73 inches with a 2K resolution and 522 pixels per inch. The bezels are different too, with the Xiaomi 14 having a 1.71mm chin, while Xiaomi 14 Pro has a 2.08mm chin. Both displays support Dolby Vision HDR and having two Dolby speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom. They offer a peak brightness of 3000 nits and a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing a seamless visual experience for activities like web browsing, reading and gaming. Xiaomi 14 Pro is equipped with a 4880 mAh silicon carbon negative battery, supporting 120-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless fast charging. But Xiaomi 14 features a 4610 mAh silicon carbon negative battery with 90-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless fast charging. Both devices support ultra space storage expansion, allowing you to expand your storage without increasing your hardware cost. They have upgraded to a USB 3.2 Gen 1 interface. Both devices run on the new software Xiaomi Hyper OS and feature the newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset for superior performance. They also support IP68, NFC 2.0, UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM. Well, I have installed PUBG on the Xiaomi 14 Pro, but it's the Chinese version. As far as I know, the Chinese version and global version of the PUBG are the same. So if we go to the settings of PUBG, we can see that in the smooth setting, it supports 90 FPS. The available settings including smooth, balanced, ultra HDR, ultra and ultra extreme. Now let's choose a location to test the PUBG quality on the Xiaomi 14 Pro.
飞机很快就要起飞了，各位特种兵请准备。
Both devices feature a triple rear camera setup, including a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with OIS. However, there is a slightly upgrade in the camera department for the Xiaomi 14 Pro. With its 50 megapixel portrait mode, you can take photos with 40 megapixel, whereas the Xiaomi 14 allows 50 megapixel portrait mode for photos with 32 megapixel. This is the key difference in the camera setup. Both devices support 8K recording. On the front, they are equipped with a 32 megapixel OMI version OV32B lens for selfies, capable of 4K video recording at 30 and 60 FPS. This is so awesome. Let's take some samples. The Xiaomi 14 starts at 3,999 RMB, around $546 for the base model, 8GB RAM, 256GB, and comes in 4 colors: black, white, green, and snow mountain pink. The glass version is 8.29 mm thick and weighs 193 grams, while the nano leather version is 8.28 mm thick and weighs 188 grams. The Xiaomi 14 Pro starts at 4,999 RMB, around $684 for the basic model, 12GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, and comes in 3 colors: black, white, and rock green. The snow mountain pink color is exclusive to the Xiaomi 14. The glass version weighs 223 grams. Both phones offer a range of options to suit your preferences. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro are packed with captivating design, powerful performance, and advanced features. So stay tuned for my upcoming review of the iQOO 12. So don't miss it. Thanks for joining us today on Mr.laowai-English Tech. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share your thoughts in the comment below. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.